Hello, students. The topic of the speech is Independence Day. A very good morning to our principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. My name is Varun, and I'm a student of Class 2. I feel happy to share a few words on our 80th Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, our country became free. We thank our brave freedom fighters for their love and sacrifice for India. India is a beautiful country with many people, languages, and festivals. Even though we are different, we are one big family. As students, we can show our love for India by studying well, being kind, keeping our school and country clean, and helping others. Let us always love our country and make India proud. Happy 80th Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.